Okay, guys, this is about the tiny house with large decking over there. So we have to focus on this tiny house only. We can look for the exterior with a rustic texture for the wood or timber material over there. But this tiny house with using a wheel over there, so it could be moved for anywhere as we want anyway. Then for the dimension for this tiny house, for the height is this tiny house is around 2.5, and for the length of this tiny house is around 7.3 meter. Okay, so we can look for the interior arrangement, room arrangement. We can look for the interior. Okay, this is about the interior room arrangement. We can see from the entrance door. This is entrance door, and this is for the living space over there with a sofas with around 3 and 4 seats anyway. And this is has small table of the sofa, and it's near from the large window over there. Okay, we can see for the in front of the sofa it has stair with several cabinet over on in the stair step anyway. Then it could be hold for the TV area, and this is about the maybe it's just for wallpaper for the fireplace over there. And this is about the cabinet beside of this stair, and it has a kitchen cabinet with a refrigerator space and upper cabinet on the above of the kitchen cabinet itself. And we can look for the in front of this kitchen it has sink area, and this is for the small dining table. So it's just for this is about the compact room arrangement, especially for the furniture and cabinet of this tiny house. And I like this design because it just with simple circulation, simple movement inside, so we can get for a lot of function of this tiny house, and it could get a lot of cabinet and nice cabinet arrangement. I mean, then in it has a large window, so it could be get enough daylighting on the inside of this tiny house. And we can continue to go through the backside. This is about the shower cabin, and this is for the toilet and wastafel area. So it's so effective and efficient room arrangement, I mean. And it has small decking in behind of this um, bathroom area. Okay, we can continue to go to the upside of this tiny house. We can continue to go to the loft bed over there. Okay, we can see for the loft bed design itself. The loft bed has some circulation from this stair, from this cabinet stair over there, and it's a simple way to access for this loft bed. And the loft bed itself has two window in the front and the left side of this tiny house. And we can look for the room situation, and it has some skylight anyway. It has some skylight of this loft bed, so it could be stargazing tools for the night vision anyway. Okay, so we can look for the another space. We can look for the another space, and it has the skylight also on both of this kitchen area anyway. And we can look for the exterior, so it has some two skylight for the above of the loft bed and above of the kitchen area. Okay, thanks for watching. I hope it will be insightful for you if you are still looking for the tiny house or looking for the simple house, but you have to make the efficient of the budget and space anyway. I hope it will be inspiring to all of you. And thanks for watching, and just wait for my next insightful video. Thank you.